All right, y'all. So we have the home page. So now we're gonna do right here is go to pages, click here, click on this plus sign for a new page, and then right here you're gonna call this the about me page. Right. So just click done. All right. So you get here to this about me page, and then what you do next is just let's change this up to something different. Um, I'm just going to just choose like a different color. And so here you're just going to do an about me. And I would just remember once you have the page, just go to insert. And then you have the same content things that we had earlier. So here, I'm just going to, you don't have to put your own picture. What I would do is just go to select image and just put a random picture, right? So go to Google Images and then just maybe you can even do that. I don't know, like random person. Uh, yeah, so just find some random person, right? So let me just say one of these is me. Um, and let me just even go with this one right here. Right. So then here you would just put a little bit about yourself. And again, don't make it too personal. Just something very, very generic. So let me just do that really quick. All right, y'all. And so there you have it, right? Just something very simple, very basic. Doesn't have to be too long. I just put master griller. I put some random picture there. And I just put three short sentences. I have been grilling since I was a kid. I love trying out new things to grill whenever I can. I'm always happy to teach others how to be great at grilling. Right. So that's it. That's the About Me page. That's all you have to do for that. And so now you're going to go back to pages, you're going to go click right here. And then for me, I am going to put um, what the first content page, right? So it said do two content pages. So right here, I am going to do the content pages. So the first one I am going to do is going to be called Simple Ribs, and that will be my first content page. That's what I'm going to be showing people how to do. Right. So click. All right, so we're here at the Simple Ribs. I'm just going to change this to something else. So just go to select. Let me just go with that. There you go. And then once we have this here, just go back to insert. And then let's just go with this one. Actually, since I'm doing a recipe and I'm going to show how to go step by step, let's just keep it real simple and do this. All right. So again, it's just the same. I'm going to put a picture right here. I'm going to put like a little title here and then just a few sentences here about how to cook the ribs. Right. So I'm just going to do that really quick and then I'm going to edit it that way. And there you go. You have this. Let's go ahead and change this part right here. Hit select. Let's just find something a little bit different and, just be random. That looks cool. So I'll just click that right there. Um, and so, yeah, you're back to this right here. It should look very similar, right? It is like what we were working with earlier. And so you got a new page. And so now what you want to do is go to insert and right here. And something that I didn't mention before, but yeah, we can actually get to that in a little bit. Let's create this and then we'll go to themes. But you go to insert here, and it's just like what we saw earlier, right? So since I am going to be um, giving them like a step by step recipe type thing, I'm just going to do three of these pictures right here, right? And then it's very similar to what we did earlier. Right here, you will just select an image and just go to Google Images. And I'll just kind of talk about like how we will cook ribs, right? And so, um, let's see. Let me just find a few pictures. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just create this, all three of the pictures with the text and everything. And it's going to be just like the first time, but let me just, for time's sake, do it this way. All right. And so here you have it. I created the image right here, right? So just the way I showed you, and then here you would just click on that and put the title, and then I just mentioned this just the ways to cook a rack of ribs. And just super simple, right? I didn't want to make it too complicated, but yeah, just talk about taking the knife and cutting off the membrane and pulling that off, waiting till the coals are white hot, and then placing the ribs off to the side.